Yo, what is going on? My name is Freddie and we are back with another Make It Yourself video. So today we have a breakfast burrito. It's going to have some egg, meat, cheese, tortilla, just your regular everyday breakfast burrito. So I'll be sure to leave a full ingredient list down in the description below. Comment what you want me to do next. I always take suggestions. If you want, you can follow on my social medias. I'll leave those down in the description too. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. In the comment section, let me know if you guys like to see like little clips from the video in the intro, or would you guys just like if I made my own type of intro? I've been thinking about that a lot, but I'm having a hard debate about it. So just let me know in the comment section which one would you guys like to see. I do polls on Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow me on those. But if you guys want to see me do like longer videos or shorter videos, the polls, like I said, just make sure to be a part of those. I do them quite frequently, so yeah, just make sure to follow me on all socials. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's a pretty short video, but if you guys want me to go like just a little bit more in depth and make the videos longer, then leave that down in the comment section, or let me know on my socials. I will be, like I said, posting those in the description below. So yeah, just go ahead and follow me on all of those. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you everybody who has been watching and supporting. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.